Let's take a look at this example. We said find is n equals 35% of stands for the multiplication 150. Okay, because n is by itself, I'm supposed to perform the multiplication 35 times 150. So 150 times 35%. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. I write 5 and carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Write 5 and carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Add these numbers together and I have 0, 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1 is 5. 5,250. Of course, percents, because I have percent over here. Now, the problem is asking you find, means we have to find the number. In order to find the number, I have to divide my percent number by 100%. So I'm going to have n equals 5,250%. I have to divide by 100%. Percent and percent will cancel out. Remember, anytime we divide by 100, we have to move the decimal point twice to left. 1, 2. So my answer is equal 52.5. So n is equal 52.5. This is the solution to my problem.